Welcome to TXTVideo. My name is Jamie Oler and I'm super excited to be sharing with you how to use this amazing platform. This type of technology is not available in the marketplace right now, and you have a first to market opportunity. So get in here, start using this, create some text conversations, render the video, and get it out into the marketplace, because this is a game-changing technology and it's so simple to use. I'm going to dive right into how you actually use this software. It's pretty simple. All you do is come up here to the right-hand corner and you click on this button here and you start the process. Couple things you can do right away here is you can actually come here and change the time that's on the device. Let's go ahead and make this 1:05 p.m. and we're going to change the battery life to 25, and we'll click save and you'll see it changes the time and the battery life there. You see, that's pretty cool that you're able to do that. Okay, from there what we're going to do now is we are going to change the name of the person we're going to contact. So for me, let's just say I'm going to contact my daughter. All right, let's just say Madison. Okay, and I'll choose a file. Okay, I'll go with this image right here. I'll choose it and I'll save. Now what the system is going to do is it's going to put her name here and it's going to add her image right here as well, and you'll see her image will pop up in just a second. Now what we're going to do from here is we are going to start the conversation. I'm going to be able to toggle back and forth between Madison and me. Okay, so me, I'm going to start the conversation. Hey, Madison. Okay, and hey, Madison, how are you today? Okay, nice and simple. Now Madison is going to hit me back. Fine, Dad. Just busy. Okay, I'm going to toggle back. What was the business that had the really good smoothies? Now Madison's going to answer. Now you see what I'm doing here? I'm creating a conversation between two people. I'm going to include a business, and this is how I want you to be thinking when you're creating these. There's a strategic element here. You're going to be creating conversations for people for a business. The business is going to use this video in their marketing. So it's going to be like it's a third-party conversation happening talking about a business. So for example, Madison's going to say now, are you talking about the one on Lakeside Drive in Lynchburg? Yes, I think it is. Is that the one with Kiwi Breeze? Yes, Dad, it is. What is it called, and do you have the website? Okay. It is Smoothie King, and the website is Give Me a Minute. Okay, boom, she texts that to me. Then she's going to go, it is www.smoothiekinglynchburg.com. And I don't know if that's the true address or whatever, but boom. And I'm just going to go, thank you, sweetie. See you tonight for dinner. Done. Okay, it's done. All right, this is brilliant. This is a great conversation. Now, Smoothie King is going to be able to use this conversation out on their social media. What's great about this is their consumers have never seen anything like this. We're all voyeurs to some degree. We all like to look over somebody's shoulder. We all like to look when the car ran off the road and it's in a ditch there. We all like to look. We're looky-loos. That's what's so brilliant about these text videos. People are going to want to be a part of the conversation. If you at the end are promoting a business here, the people are going to find out this is so unique. This is kind of cool. You run this as a Facebook ad, an Instagram ad, a YouTube ad, video ad, I should say, and it's going to rock. You save this, click render, and boom, you are done. You have your first text video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. There are so many opportunities that are going to surface because of this new technology. It's brand new. Businesses are going to love it. You're going to love it. Use it to promote your business. Use it to promote your church. Use it to promote anything that you're involved with. Use it to promote all the businesses you work with and to generate new business. This is going to be an exciting ride over the next 6 to 12 months. This has never been done before. There's no technology out there in the marketplace right now that allows you to do this simply. It is here now. The success people are having with this technology out in the marketplace or with this type of video out in the marketplace is staggering. We're talking millions and millions and millions of views on these videos. The consumers want to be a part of the conversation. Thank you. If you have any questions, hit us in support. Take care, everyone.